longest time, you guys have been asking me about this because although it's very nice to be learning about trading and investing, it's also nice to be making money, right? So some of you have been chatting with me and asking me all these questions and asking me what it was I was playing and buying and selling, So I figured I'd try to put something together for you guys, and I've been resistant to do it because it takes a lot of time to do. I mean, I can't just tell you invest in